Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the Ford as a drive belt. Apparently this right here down here is as a tight spot, especially for Ford Transit 250 2016. So I'm just going to show you some steps and the easy way to just take it out. It's a hassle, but it's just you have to remove this hose from here and then remove that hose down there to give you access to be able to reach the belt down there in the crank shaft pulley. Okay, I've removed this hose right here, and also I've removed the air mass intake plastic thing, which goes all here, just right here, over here. And I'm just going to show you also the belt is just right down there, and use a number 15 to access the pulley tensioner, so that you just which helps you out to release the belt from the car. Man, there's a tight spot right here. I don't know if you guys will see it very well. Okay, I'll just show you how it's done. Just keep watching the video, guys. Okay. So this is an example of how our Serpentine Belt is. So I'm just showing on a diagram how it looks like, so it'll be easy for you to take it out. So we have our this is a water pump, the top one right here, and right here this is the crankshaft pulley, and this is the belt tensioner. This is the one you're going to pry to come up this way right here. So once you do that, this belt comes out. Comes out from this position, and then you can be able to pull it out. This is an alternator. You can see this one right from the top. So this is just the easy way. Then you use just a flat range 15 millimeter to just put right here, and then you pry it. You just come in this way. And then once you do that, the belt will come out, and then putting it back, you have to put the belt on the alternator. You have to put on crankshaft, and then you have to put it on this tension. But don't put it on the water pump, because it will block you from putting it in. So just put it here, let it hang from here, and then pry it, and then just take this one. Should be the last one to put it in. Okay, here's a little tip. While putting back the drive belt, make sure the alternator pulley is put in, the crankshaft pulley is put in. Make sure the last one to be put in is the is the water pump thing. Yeah, this is the last one, so that when you pry in the tensioner, the pulley tensioner. Good right there. Yeah, the trick, make sure this is the last one to put in. This is the last one right here. Make sure the other ones are all in, so it's all good. Just put back the rest. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Good to go.